what we're given is what people get.
Ross and Sally, well, how it all started was, grew up on top of the hill there. This is the original family farm for the hoppers since 1948. All us kids had cleared out and doing our own thing, and Dad said he was, with deregulation coming in, he was going to sell the farm. If you kids aren't interested, I asked, well, what can we do to keep it as a farm? And he said, well, the only thing he can think of is probably bottle your own milk, value add and all that. So had a bit of a think about it and thought, hey, this sounds pretty easy. And my brother said, well, if you pay me a better price, I'll come back and take over the farm. And so I bought this block of dirt off of Dad, and built a milk factory. And Sal was coming on the scene and had me sidetracked. It took longer to build the factory because you were around. The support of the locals, it's amazing, it's huge. And with the support of the locals, we wouldn't have got off the ground and wouldn't be where and taken on as many farms as we are today. And then just grew wider and wider, and the footprint of our milk going. And now it's obviously all around Queensland.
The farms that supply us are premium.
Yeah, but they make an effort too to give us good milk. So we pay good money
for good milk.
And if we pay good money to the farmers, they got the right amount of money to look after the animals, look after the environment. And when you do that, then good milk does come out too. If you look after the animals, keep them healthy, it's like us. The healthier we are, the better we perform.
People in Maleny talk about it. It's the same as the staff. They talk about it as their own. Yeah. It's not Ross and Sally. It's not the hoppers. It's not that. It is their milk.
Yeah, we source it locally and it makes sense for us. And the locals are supporting us, well, we've got to support the locals. So it's just a circle. Yeah.
There's no job that anyone does here that is not more important than anyone else.
There's been a few times we want to sell it. Oh, this is too hard. And lots of times, no money. I had a couple other businesses and they were financing it and funding it up until, like for the first 15 years, they were funding it, because if we didn't have that other thing, it wouldn't have lasted 6 months. And so they were propping it up.
I think back on it more.
God being part of it.
God being part of it.
Yeah.
And a bit of mongrel.
Yeah. Don't give up.
Don't give up. Keep going. And it's been a wise decision.